some Sweet Tart roll pops.
What time is it? Oh, 15 ways on how to stay up when you're working an overnight shift. Just kidding. I'm just doing my lunges. Trying to gain them glutes, baby. Yes. Alright, so when you do your lunge, you want to lunge. You don't want your knee to go over your toe. And when you come up, you want to make sure all the weight is in that front heel. You want to explode and make sure you squeeze them glutes. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze them glutes when you come up. When you sit back, when you go down, make your 90-degree angle. You want to make sure you sit back on that booty. Make sure you stretch it all the way out and you feel it through your hips and definitely through your glutes. And squeeze, 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 squeeze them booty tight so you get your results. Good morning. Alright, so I just got off work. I'm on my way to my mom's house. I gotta go get my kids and China Safari means in school they got half days this week, so I believe it's 1:30's bus will be bringing him back to the house, but I'm on my way to get China Safari, and we're probably going to go back to my house. I do have to work tonight, so they will be going back to my mom's, but they have to go to a funeral. Mr. Braxton passed away. A very nice man, but he's been struggling for quite some time now with some different health issues, so he's in a better place, and they're getting ready to go to a funeral. It's 8 o'clock. I'm pretty sure all the kids are up, and that is what I'm doing right now. And it's probably gonna get a little hectic because this is the car situation, but we'll see how everything goes. Hopefully it's not too difficult, and hopefully mommy can get some sleep in the whole time. But I had to walk down. I had to like walk down the driveway at work, walk down the long driveway, and then out on the road because this guy was freaking parked on the side of the road for like too long, and basically they can't park on the road. So I had to go out and tell him to get the heck up out of here. Long story short, I should have had my camera with me because when I went down to walk the driveway before I got to the road, it was like, I always talk about these geese, but it was like 30 geese. They was rolling deep. When I say deep, I mean they was rolling deep, and it was kind of scary because what if they attacked me? I was like so scared. You have no idea, but yeah, I got past them and they did not attack me. They jumped me. That's what I was thinking though. I'm like, if one of these birds like start feeling some type of way about me walking past, all of them gonna charge me. But yeah, I made it down and back, and that was a little, I had a little giggle there and a few chills because it was kind of creepy walking past them. I'm trying to debate on if oh man, I forgot to friggin' stop and get those invitations. Hopefully, well, I guess I can stop in Rite Aid. I'll stop in Rite Aid or CVS. I gotta pick Bean up some invitations so that he can take to his class before this week's over, so they'll be in his bag, his book bag tomorrow, so that he can take his invitations in. His birthday's August the 12th, and they did do like a little thing. He had his own day in school for his birthday, which was last week, but his birthday is August the 12th, so I'm gonna send in some invitations so that his classmates can come to his birthday party. Rather we have it at the house or at the pool. I'm not sure yet what we're gonna do, but it'd be nice to have his classmates come over wherever it is and, you know, celebrate it with him. I think the year before we went to the beach, but now that he's like, you know, really stepping out of his comfort zone and actually going to hang out at his friends' houses, and the kids come over to the house and they want to play with him, and it's cool, you know, it's really, it's neat to see him grow and, you know, reach out and kind of come out of his comfort zone where he's not shy to go down and knock for him, and it's cool. It's fun to see him grow, and just, I love it. But I am like, wait a minute, where did the time go? Because Bean will be 7. He'll be 7 in August. China will be 3 in September, and Safari will be 2 in March. We got some time for that, but still, it's just crazy. Alright, so I won't chat your head off. I'm getting ready to go to my mom's. I'm on the next exit will be my exit to get off, so maybe about 7 or 8 miles until I get to the next exit. And that is that. If this car go, I'll be able to beat this damn bus. Much of a selection at, I stopped in Acme. I didn't plan on getting it from Acme, but I stopped in there. Well, I was in there already, and I was like, oh, I need those invitations, and I didn't get the ones from Acme because it was like 2 of them, and it was just kind of plain. I was kind of looking for something cool, like boyish. I did see some at the dollar store, but I thought that I would be able to see better ones at Walmart, and of course, I didn't get it at Walmart when I got there because I forgot, because I'm a Nimrod. So, I'm gonna go inside of, where am I at? CVS or Rite Aid, and see if they have some. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, it was crazy last night when I pulled up to work, right? I run into the back of this man's car. Not car, truck. It was this big ass truck. And it had, oh look, just like one of these. Just like that truck right there. And it had one of those, it was like a little higher than that, but it had one of those little bally things on the back of it, and it hit the top of my car. I'm kind of glad it did though, just the top of my car, because can you only imagine what kind of damage it would have done? What kind of damage it would have done to my car or the guy's car if he didn't have that friggin' thing to like stop me from going any farther. Oh great, look, cool, we found some, these are some good ones. Now this is something that I was really looking for, something like this. Something fun and festive, you know what I mean? That's simple enough, right? And it's boyish. Kind of looks like the, oh shoot, there's only 10 in here, so we'll have to get 2 of them for what? $5. $5.49. It's gonna run me to about $12 with the tax. Jesus Christ. Do we have to have a birthday party?
Chest all out.
Is it the teeth? Is it Papa Wish?
I'm not feeling
Well,
good
not
this
feeling
morning,
good,
my
sissy girl.
goodness. Poor baby.
You might not want all that one because you're not feeling good. Hey, Sissy, just giving lovies. Sissy.
Yes.
I want that skirt.
You want to wear the skirt?
Yeah.
So it's either this pink. You can wear this.
I want to wear this.
Okay, let's see. We can put that one. I guess you can wear that with it.
This?
Yeah. I guess you can wear that.
I'll wear that. And I want to wear that with that.
Okay. Yeah. You gonna do it or what?
See, like
Twirl?
like that.
Let's see a little twirl. All right.
Get that hair comb first.
Please.
Mom, look.
What now happened? Oh my goodness. How'd you do that? No shoes on outside, right?
Oh, I did that in the house.
Oh, did you?
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You did not.
Who you gonna blame, Bean or Florrie?
Herself for running around outside.
I like Slurpees instead of wrap. I like Slurpee instead of wrap.
You like Slurpee instead of wrap. You don't, and then when you get a Slurpee, you don't even eat it all.
I drink them.
Yeah, right. You stick it in the freezer and then they're in there for months.
That was a smart answer.
Which is
She said I drink it all. You said you don't eat them all when you get them. She said I drink them all.
She is a wise little girl. It's looking up. You smarty pants, you? Yeah. You're a smarty pants. Try this smarty pants.
I can drink it.
That's what you're trying to be. Smarty pants.
she's got her, she don't have her shoes or sandals on yet, but she's got her pink skirt, her little flowery top. Oh, and it's even got a bow on the shoulder. There you go, girl. And then she's got, look at all her jewelry. She's got her bracelets on and her necklace and her rings. Let me see your ring. Go like this, girl. Let me see. What's the problem? Huh? You want McDonald's? What do you want? Chicken nuggets?
Yes.
May I take your order, please?
Hi, can I have a 4-piece chicken nugget Happy Meal?
We're only on breakfast. One doesn't start till 11.
Ah, horse shit! No, don't cry. I'm sorry. I wasn't cursing at you. I was cursing at the lady.
Oh, man. They don't have any lunch, John. Only breakfast. You want a wrap? Sausage burrito? You don't have French fries, do you?
No, we do not. That's part of lunch.
No French fries. That's part of lunch.
We have hash browns.
They have hash browns. You want a burrito too? Huh? Let me have a sausage burrito and 2 hash browns.
Any kind of sauce for your burrito? Or for your burrito?
No, thank you.
Okay, I have 1 burrito and 2 hash browns. Will that complete your order?
That's everything.
Okay, 382. Please call around. Thank you.
You want a Happy Meal? We'll get you one of those Happy Meals. You got a Happy Meal? Can we get a Happy Meal? Will somebody get you to the Happy Meal?
curtains. Ooh, I'm telling. Ooh, I'm telling. They don't even care. Get out of them curtains. Get out of them curtains right now. Up, see? Now what? Who gonna hang them back up? There you are. You want one too? Ice pop? No ice pop? Oh, buddy. Ice pop make you feel better. Ice pop keep you cool.
Hey guys, I'm back, and now we're just gonna get a little bit of some Sweet Tart roll pops, and we're gonna put the small cup with the stuff in it. I had to get a little more. I'll see you in a minute. Hi guys, Hey guys, I'm back, and we're just waiting a little bit. Oh, take a look. Oh! Oh, I can't look at it. I'm taking it out of the cup that we heated it up in and putting it in here. It looks like ice cream, but it's not. What if it is? What if we made ice cream, not slime? Say, I'll be a miracle. I'll be a miracle. Oh Yeah, I made slime. We actually made slime, China. Yeah. It's more like glue. Oh, I got it. Wait, I'm gonna show her. Yeah, we made it. They're the boys.
They're the boys.
Yeah.
What boys?
The boys on the street dogs, but they're not for him.
He can have some. If everybody else is getting some, he can have some too.
But these ones are the boys.
Oh well, we're eating them. If they were left here, then we can eat some and we can replace them. But anyway, cheese curl time, cheese curl time, cheese curl